It is all done with
Good morning, Nellie.
Oh.
Hey, have you ever tried...
Love them.
Neat.
Now you, on the other hand, you need some help.
Why?
Look at you. What is that?
La ardilla.
And that's for Davy Crockett!
Oh, no. 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 Oh, no.
What is that? What is that? What is that?
You like it.
found her lying very still. Her feathers were catching the breeze. Waited a long time for her to rise up. I wanted to see her fly. I thought maybe if I waited long enough, she'd come back home with me. I love her. Of course you loved her. And perhaps you still do. But she is dead, my friend. What we have to do now is find a way we can remember her and her beauty. That way, we'll have her inside of us. The memories can help us grow. We need that, Arvie, because you and I are alive.
Pisces should find romance this month.
I'll get revenge!
You'll get revenge.
I've got revenge!
Got revenge.
For pile. An extra.
Come on. Almost there.
Yet never saw combat. Thumper ain't.
Okay, so by the end of
Live from Las Vegas, it's time for American Flatulators. Who will take home this week's prize of 2,000? Or will it be $dollars in a bagel shop? Bernie
now.
who hails from the Lone Star.
Doing track 2 now. Doing track 3. Track 3. Hiss. Kind of a hiss I hear. I hear the hiss.
How come you weren't in the hairdo contest?
Let's turn over and to the mousey too.
nothing wrong with me. What's wrong with you? Would you shut up? There's nothing wrong with me. I'm just trying to... There's nothing wrong with me, kid. I'm trying to eat a fish. What's wrong with you? Trying to eat a fish and it falls off the plate. Would you shut up? You're bothering me more than a fish is bothering me. Would you shut up and leave me alone? What's your problem? I'm just trying to eat a fish. What is wrong with you? I'm only trying to eat a fish. Would you shut up? What's wrong with you? There's nothing wrong with me. What's your problem? There's nothing wrong with me. What's wrong with you? There's nothing wrong with me. What's wrong with you? There's nothing wrong with me. Would you shut up and let me eat my fish? What is wrong with you? Shut up. What is wrong with you? Would you just shut up? What's your problem? Would you shut up? What's wrong with you? What is wrong with you? What's wrong with me? I'm just trying to eat my fish. Would you shut up? What is wrong with you? Would you shut up? You're beginning to bug me. What's your problem? Just trying to eat my fish. Stay on the plate. Would you shut up? I'm just trying to eat my fish. I'm gonna hit you with my problem. Worse than this fish. You're worse than this fish. You're more of a problem than a fish. What's your problem? Would you shut up? Would you shut your mouth? I want to eat my fish. Shut up. I can't even think. What's your problem? Trying to eat my fish. What is wrong with you? I don't have a problem. What is wrong with you? I don't have a problem. What's your problem? I don't have a problem. Can't you hear me? What's wrong with you? Can't you hear me? I don't have a problem. I want to eat my fish. What's your problem? Just want to eat my fish. What is wrong with you? Shut up. What is wrong with you? Just shut up. What's your problem? What is wrong with you? Anyway, what is wrong with you? My fish won't stay on the plate. Would you shut up? What is wrong with you? Would you just shut up and let me eat my fish? What's your problem? Would you shut up and leave me alone? I can't even think. What's wrong with you? I don't have a problem. I don't have a problem. What is wrong with you? I don't have a problem. What's your problem? I don't have a problem. I want to eat my fish. What is wrong with you? What's your problem? I just want to eat my fish. What is wrong with you? What is wrong with you? I don't have a problem. Would you shut up? What is wrong with you? Would you just shut up? What's wrong with you? Would you shut up? What is wrong with you? Trying to eat a fish. Trying to eat a fish and it falls off the plate. Would you shut up? What is wrong with you? Would you shut up? What is wrong with you? Would you just shut up? What is wrong with you? Would you just shut up? What is wrong with you? What's your problem? Would you just shut up? What is wrong with you? I'm trying to eat my fish. Would you be quiet? What's your problem? Would you just shut up and let me eat my fish? I can't even eat it. It won't stay on the plate. What's your problem? Would you shut up? What is wrong with you? What is wrong with you? Would you just shut up? What's your problem? What is wrong with you? I'm gonna hit you with my fish if you don't shut up. What's your problem? Would you shut up? What is wrong with you? What is wrong with you? Shut up, I hit. What's your problem?
What's wrong with my voice?
How do you do?
Does not necessarily make
Whisper your secret to me, we'll show it to those folks out there, huh?
Him, 1/3 owner of the famous three-man gas.
Smoke Mentos every day.
Oh my jeez, we are so high.
Welcome to Buzz's Movie Maker, where you're in the director's chair. Let's get started creating the movie of your dreams. First, let's pick a clip from the library. The tabs on the side of the library display clips from several different spots, as well as extra stuff like titles and music tracks. Clicking the buttons along the top of the library switch between different versions of the clips. from normal to funny to wacky. Click on one of the clips. It may take a second to load. The clip is now placed on the timeline with a preview of the clip. Click on some more clips to add them to the timeline. To watch your movie, click the play button. To change the order of the clips, just click and drag the clip you want to move and drop it in a new location. To remove a clip, select it and either click the trash button or click the little X on the clip. To add music to your movie, just click one of the clips found in the Music tab. Some of the bonus clips in the library might be locked. They can be unlocked by entering the code found on the back of specially marked boxes of Honey Nut Cheerios. Don't forget to save your movie. When you're done, just click the big red Save button. To save, share, and rate movies, you have to be logged in. If you already have a username and password, enter it here. If you need a username and password, you can get one by clicking on the Sign Up button. To keep the site a safe place, you're not allowed to use your real name. That's why we create a wacky nickname for you. This is your unique nickname and password. You don't want to lose it, so be sure to write it down someplace safe. To see if you're logged in, look in the upper right corner. If you're logged in, your nickname appears in the sidebar. You can also use this box to log in and out. Once your movie is saved, you can watch it, rate it, and share it with friends. If you need help, click the Help button at any time to watch more tutorial movies. And remember, you're in the director's chair, so have fun!
Hello, and I am here to show you the ending to Battletoads for the Sega Genesis. Now, this game is extremely hard. It has had you go through a lot of different things. The instant kill death bosses,
Be happy, be healthy.
Just gotta go.